Hi everybody, Miss Amanda here with some tips and tricks for when you're practicing your letters. Tip number 1, think about the shapes that make up the letter you want to write. This is just like when we're making a picture. Here's a picture that I already did of a cat. To make this picture, I thought about the shapes that make up the cat face, such as the oval for the face, the triangle for the ears and the nose, the circles for the eyes, and lines for the mouth and the whiskers. By thinking about the shapes that were going to make up the cat, it helped me to draw the picture better. I'm going to do the same thing when I'm thinking about letters. For capital letters, there's only 4 shapes that I have to think about. First is the big line. Then the little line. Next, the big curve. And finally, the little curve. So I'm going to use tip number 1, thinking about the shapes that make up the letters, to spell out the word frog, because this week we're talking about frogs and toads. So frog, F-R-O-G. I'm going to think about the shapes that make up those letters. First is the letter F. The letter F is made from a big line and 2 little lines. For R, we need a big line, a little curve, and a little line. For O, we need 2 big curves, and for G, we need a big curve, a little line, and another little line that's almost like a hat. F-R-O-G. I've thought about the shapes that are in these letters, and it's helping me to think about how to spell the word. Tip number 2, trace the letters. I'm going to trace over these wooden pieces that I have, but when you're tracing, you can trace either in the air or you can just trace down on your piece of paper before you write. So I'm going to trace out what it feels like to write the letters F-R-O-G before I actually write the word. Let's start with F. Starting at the top, it's a big line down, frog jump up, line across, frog jump to the middle, little line across. R, big line down, frog jump to the top, little curve, and then a little line. Practice doing the little line on the diagonal for the R. If you just do it straight down, your letter will look more like a P. O's pretty easy. Start at the top, big curve, big curve. G, start at the top, big curve, little line up, frog jump over for a little line across almost like a hat. Now in general, letters that have curves are harder to master than letters that only have straight lines. So G could be a tricky one. Okay, I've done 2 steps. I've thought about the shapes that are in the letters, and I've traced out the letters so I know what it feels like to write them. Now I'm actually going to write the word frog and see if those tips have helped me. All right, F-R-O-G, frog. Big line down for F, frog jump to the top, little line across, frog jump to the middle, little line across. R, big line down, frog jump to the top, little curve, little line. I'm doing it on the diagonal so my R doesn't look like a P. O, 2 big curves, and G, a big curve, a little line up, frog jump, for a hat. F-R-O-G, frog. Success! My 2 tips helped me write this word. I'm also going to use these tips to spell out the word toad, since we're talking about toads this week. So toad, T-O-A-D. First, I'm going to think about the shapes that make up these letters. For T, I need 2 big lines. O, 2 big curves. A, two big lines and a little line. And D is a big line and a big curve. Toad, T-O-A-D. I've thought about the shapes that I need to make up this word. So next, I'm going to trace out the letters so I know what it feels like to write these letters. T. Start at the top, big line across. Toad jump to the middle, big line down. O. Start at the top, two big curves. A. Start at the top, big line down. Toad jump to the top, big line down. Toad jump to the middle, big line across. For A, make sure that you're practicing those lines on the diagonal. If they're not on the diagonal, you might end up with the letter H. D. Start at the top, big line down. Toad jump to the top, big curve. Toad, T-O-A-D. So I've thought about the shapes that are in the letters. I've traced them out, and I'm going to write the word toad. T. Big line across, toad jump to the middle, big line down. O. Two big curves. Whoop. That one's a little wonky. A. I'm going to make sure I do my big lines on the diagonal so it doesn't end up like an H. Big line down, toad jump to the top, big line down, toad jump to the middle, little line across. And D. Big line down, toad jump to the top, big curve. T-O-A-D. I've used my steps and they've helped me to write out my letters T-O-A-D. Okay everyone, I hope you find these tips really helpful next time you practice your letters. Can't wait to see you again soon. Bye!